हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज एज अ पावर बीआई डेवलपर, एज अ पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट, देन दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। Because in this video, we'll discuss about 5 companies who are hiring currently for the role of Power BI developer or Power BI consultant role. So do check out the entire video and the job application links are available in the description box. वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, Power BI developer, full stack developer, data analytics, then watch out the entire video. Subscribe this YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page and Facebook page. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल।
फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली वॉच द एंटायर वीडियो एंड कैन अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। सो जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उस सभी जॉब्स के लिंक्स, एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। सो डू चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन डेली बेसिस, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com where you can submit your latest resume. Also you can search news and blogs about data science domain. Now let's move to the job piece. So the first company in the list is MRI Software. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Bangalore. Salary 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. And education is bachelor's degree in computer science or Power BI certification. About the role, design and build Power BI semantic models to accurately represent business logic and data relationships. Then utilize DAX to create complex calculations, measure and data analysis expressions with Power BI. Demonstrate advanced proficiency in Power Query for data extraction, transformation and loading. Optimize DAX queries for performance and scalability. Develop and implement data quality monitoring systems to identify and rectify data quality issues. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific role. And if I'll talk about the technical skills this company is looking for: experience with star and snowflake schema techniques, strong understanding of enterprise Power BI deployment best practices, experience with SQL, experience in applying RLS security in Power BI reports, and understanding of data quality concepts, best practices, and tools with strong experience with data analysis techniques. So these are some technical skills for this specific job. To apply for the job post, you can simply visit the description box where you'll find this link and you can reach to the career page of this company. The second company in the list is the Maverick Technologies. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Experience 6 months to 4 years. Location is in Pune. Salary 7 to 9 lakhs per annum. Education BE, BSc in computer science or relevant field. And if we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities: Power BI development and administration, building analysis service reporting models, developing visual reports, dashboards, and KPI scorecards using Power BI desktop. Excellent in analytical thinking for translating data into info native visuals and reports. Expertise in using advanced level calculation of the data sets. Able to properly understand the business requirement and develop data models according by taking care of the resources. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific job, and they have, I guess, 3 job openings for Power BI developer role. So if you are looking for any job change in Pune location, then you can fill out this form. And if I'll talk about the required skills: troubleshooting ability, SharePoint, Power Platform related certifications, ability to learn new emerging technologies, excellent communication skills, written as well as verbal. SharePoint related certification and PL 900 would be an added advantage but not mandate, and good knowledge of Power Platform and related emerging technologies. And if you find yourself suitable for this job, then you can apply for the job post by clicking this link which is available in the description box. Now the third company in the list is GARTNER. This company is hiring for the role of business intelligence analyst and developer. Experience 2+ years. Location is in Gurgaon. Salary 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree required. Master is a plus. Roles and responsibilities: manage monthly and weekly operational reporting and presentations, prepare executive level analytics and presentation materials for leadership team, collaborate with peers to support building analytical models for short and long term planning, validate large operational data sets to develop KPIs, analytical dashboards to improve decision making that drive business performances. And if I'll talk about the required skills and experience, you should have 2+ years of experience in business, exceptional analytical skills, strong verbal and written communication skills, a strong proficiency in Excel and Power BI, ability to build moderately complex decision support models, strong core values, integrity, collaboration, no limits mindset, and ability to thrive and deliver outstanding results in fast-paced environment. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're interested for this job post, you can visit the description box where you'll find the job application links for this company, Gartner. The fourth company in the list is JOLERA. This company is also hiring for Power BI developer, experience 4 years, location is Mumbai, education bachelor's degree in computer science or related discipline, and salary is 7 to 12 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities. So along with Power BI, you should know about the SQL as well. So you should have SQL proficiency, in which write, understand, and troubleshoot intricate SQL statements, leveraging your deep knowledge of analyzed data. Then reporting solutions should be there. Requirement analysis, that is conduct through thorough requirements gathering and analysis to ensure the delivery of tailored and effective business intelligence solutions. Then informative automation, create personalized reports and alerts. Business insights gathering, understand and gather business needs for data insights, and BI tool development. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this company. And if we'll talk about the required skills, possess a strong knowledge of SQL decks to effectively work with data, exhibit excellent communication skills in English, demonstrate advanced proficiency in Power BI for report creation and visualization, prove your ability to write complex DAX metrics for robust data analysis. And if you're interested in the job post, you can visit the description box where I've already given the link for this company. The fifth company in the list is Arting Digital. This company is hiring for the role of Power Platform Developer, experience 2 to 3 years, and location is in Noida, Gurgaon, or Punjab. So if you are residing in these cities or looking to switch in these cities, then you can apply for the job post. Salary 6 to 8 lakhs per annum, and experience they have asked for 2 to 3 years, and education is bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. And if we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities, develop, customize, and maintain business applications using Power BI platform tools, including Power Apps, Power Automate, collaborate with business stakeholders to understand requirements and translate them into technical solutions, develop custom components and controls using Power Platform Component Framework, integrate Power Platform solutions with other systems and services. Then stay updated on new features and capabilities of Power Platform and related technologies, and also provide technical guidance and support to junior developers. So these are some key responsibilities you should be holding if you are applying for the job post. And if I talk about the required skills, experience with advanced Power BI features such as DAX, modeling, and report optimization, knowledge of Azure services such as Azure Function, Azure Logic Apps, familiarity with agile development methodologies, and experience with version control systems such as Git. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can apply by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. The sixth and final company in the list is a renowned consulting company, CAPGEMINI. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 5+ years. Location is in Mumbai, but they are also hiring for different locations in India. So you can just check by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. Education BE, BTech, MCA, MCS, and salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Now let's discuss about roles and responsibilities. Extensive experience in Power BI visualization, experience in implementing tubular model implementation and row level data, experience in client interactions and requirement analysis, experience in requirement documentation, good presentation and coordination skills, and some technical skills, experience in Power BI development using SSAS tubular model, experience in writing and optimizing text queries, good communication and comprehensive skills, knowledge of Microsoft Azure Analytics is a plus. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can see the link in the description box. So friends, these are 6 jobs for this week, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case you or any of your friend is looking for a job change in Power BI developer role or any data science field like data analytics, business analytics domain, then you can refer this channel or refer this video to those friends. And also you can share your views about this video, and if you're looking for something specific role, a kind of job, you can also mention in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day.